Welcome to Welcome to Get Offset. My name is Emily, and look at you, looking like a whole snack on the day after Thanksgiving. That is, if you're watching this on launch day. Happy Black Friday. I hope you had your fill and maybe getting some shopping in. But here's one to add to your list, potentially. It is the BL-44 by Old Blood Noise Endeavors. Simply put, it's a reverse pedal. So the controls are really simple. I'd love to just dig into this thing because I know that's what you want. We have volume. You don't need to crank yours. I cranked it because I didn't want to compensate in other places, and I just left it there. No weird issues here. Here's clean. The volume there is to compensate for any loss of signal that's perceived by turning up the mix. So again, clean, very quiet. It's not a ton of added volume, but it is a helpful amount of added volume. Let's start with the mix. You can go full dry, full wet, anywhere in between. Lovely. I'm going to keep it to around there so you can really hear the effect, but I do think this pedal sounds really good when it's played with more subtle settings too. The clock sets the clock speed. All the way to the right, you have very fast reverse with no noticeable degradation. You get slower, more degradation as you go that way. Some points in the middle supposedly have audible clock sound, potentially. Maybe if you're playing a lot of high gain pedals in front of it or a compressor, I can't really hear it right now. But yes, faster, higher fidelity, lower fidelity, degradation, might even skip some notes. Let's start with it all the way on high. Speed is basically your reverse playback head. Up north, that's unison, so that's just whatever note you're playing. It's not going to pitch it up or down. It's quantized in fourths down, fifths down, octaves down, and up the same. So fourth, fifth, octave. Pretty easy, and you can really hear that. So let's listen for that. So you're not going to have to constantly try to find a sweet spot, which is a problem I have sometimes personally. But yeah, let's get to some playing. I will start with the clock, and then I'll try it with the speed change. But first, speed's going to be up the middle. You're starting to lose a little bit, and I don't know if you heard it. It was just very faint back there. It just took a long time. All right. So I know speed is there, but the speed of those repeats, those reverse repeats, I should say, falling in, that's all clock. There it was. All right, now let's start to mess with some of these octaves. There's always that just like little last one that's so funny to me. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that happens also. I actually think this would be really fun if it had expression control for the slider. All right, let's check out the down, fourth, fifth, and octave. Sometimes when it's too fast, it can feel a little busy, if not glitchy. So that's just one reason to not always have it cranked. I don't mind it, but you might. At the same time, if you are not playing a lot of notes, if it's too high, it's not going to fill in those spaces the way it will if you push back the degradation, or I should say push back the clock. It kind of sounds like the cello player is drunk. I love it. It's very ambient friendly. Thus the drunk cello compliment. Very ambient friendly. Come at me. there you have it. That is the BL-44 from Old Blood Noise Endeavors. Thank you to the crew over there for sending me this. It is really fun. There are some people specifically I can't wait to see what they do with it, like Ann Silikowski. I want to see her play this very, very badly because I'm sure it's just going to be amazing with that ambient stuff. But I had a lot of fun with it too, not even playing that style of music. This is a pedal where I think if you turn the mix down, I think mix down, speed up, it gets that really glitchy kind of thing in the background. And I am a huge fan of glitchy. As a result, I really like this pedal. So check it out. Always buy directly from independent builders when you can. I will drop some affiliate links to various things in the video description, such as this guitar sent to me by Sweetwater, the American Vintage 2 Series Jazzmaster. I was using the Benson Chimera Mixwave plugin. I forgot to mention that at the top. Sorry about that, and sorry cables. So those are the things. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, if it's Black Friday or sometime after, weekend, holidays, etc. Have a good one. Please like, comment, subscribe for more. Those are my favorite ways to support the channel. You can also support us on Patreon at patreon.com/getoffset. We have an exclusive Discord server. We have merch at getoffsetpodcast.com/shop, including this Fangs shirt, which proceeds go to the Dave Burton Recovery Fund. If you know, you know. And what else? How else can you support us? Tell your favorite builders about us. You can donate, give thanks, and there's a button below the video. If you're watching during the premiere, there's a super chat. Options still open. Always makes me just totally tickled when people do that. The affiliate links are a great way to support the channel. If you're buying anything, it costs you $0 extra, but we get a portion of that sale shared with us. Me. Well, everybody out there, thanks for watching. Thanks for understanding. Until next time, my name is Emily. Goodbye.